This is a video fixing a Sharp television. I didn't record opening the case because I didn't think about putting it on video until I opened it and found out what the problem was. There should be a row of 3 diodes there somewhere. I'm about to point to them. No, not pointing to them. Okay, I'm just removing the board from the TV. I removed a faulty diode, put the board back in the TV to test it, and it's now working. The 3 diodes are in parallel, so I'm going to replace all 3 of those diodes just in case the other 2 are weakened. You can measure the diodes in the circuit and they shouldn't measure short. There's the 3 diodes. The middle one was shorted. That's the shorted one. It's SB5100. SB5100. I replaced those with I need to go and get them. This power supply board is in a number of different televisions, different manufacturers. And apparently these diodes going is quite common. And the recommended replacement, I can't read without my glasses. In the meantime, you can watch me wetting the pads, ready to desolder the diodes. And I should be speeding up some bits here and there so you don't get too bored too quickly. Right, the replacement diode I've used is a UF5402. It's a 200 volt 3 amp diode. And it's very cheap, so this is a very cheap repair. The biggest problem was putting the whole thing back together again. I'm just showing you there that I actually made a mistake. I broke one of the pads. I split one of the pads in half. So when I put the new diodes in, the lead of one diode is going to be folded over to the next one so that there's a good strong connection there. That's the new ones going in. And soldering in the new diodes. I bend the leads very slightly so they don't fall out when the board's turned upside down, and they're also more or less at the same level. I soldered them a little distance from the PC board, just for better air circulation, for cooling. And I'm bending over the one lead and soldering it to the next diode along. And then trimming all the leads down. I'll put the TV model and the PC board model in the description down below. And the details of the diodes as well. Right, putting the PC board back in for testing. And plugging in the leads. Right. I did test it before I fully assembled it. I skipped that part because the video was terrible. So I'm skipping now to fully assembling it, and I'll give it a proper test at the end. The symptoms were the TV just died, no power light, nothing. And yeah, and that diode was faulty. So once I cut the diode out of circuit, it powered up again. So it's now got 3 new diodes. The red light near the bottom there under the word Sharp should come on. That wasn't happening before. There it's on and it flashes for a bit. And I think it turns green then red. Right, now powering the actual monitor up from standby mode to on mode. There we have a display, so it's all good.